What is going on? Sunset too. I have to cut up more of those squares, this size, out of this. But I do want to lay everything out and see again. 12, 9, 13, 15. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy with my progress so far. Some of these designs, I mean, the ones that I like the most, I did in the past. Like, I have a full size of this design and a full size of this one. I can't decide what I like, you know. I think this one's one of my favorites. This one makes me kind of happy. Anyways, happy with that, damn. Okay, I think I might do another one now. So let's clean this up, get on to another one. Let's measure this out and cut it again. 21.6. Definitely not an exact science here. life ain't perfect. Sometimes you just gotta go for it. Hey, what is going on? I don't know, I'm looking at myself, which kind of am talking to myself, right? I'm looking at the camera, looking at me, looking at myself. Anyways, I was quite sick earlier this week, and I did some COVID tests. I have some footage of that. But everything turned out negative, so still just getting over that sickness and feeling pretty good, I guess. So what else is there? What else is there? I've been drawing more. I'm happy with my progress so far. 16-ish kind of drawings that I've done. Some days I don't feel like it, and other days I'm kind of into it and into filming it and doing time lapse, but I feel like I'm doing the same thing over and over again in my vlogs, so I don't know how exciting it is for the viewer. You know, another time lapse, another setting up the table, and another B-roll of my drawings. I don't know how exciting that is, but for me, I like documenting the process, and you know. So what else? Is there anything else I need to talk about? Okay. That's about enough of this.